Okay, continuing with our work with the unit circle. Right, tangent of 0 degrees. Right, where is 0 degrees? We haven't even moved. X-axis. X-axis. Sine over cosine. 0. 8 pi over 3. 8 pi over 3. Are we okay that 8 pi over 3 is more than 6 pi over 3? Right? It's clearly more than 6 pi over 3, and 6 pi over 3 is 2 pi. So we can understand from that we're 2 pi over 3 past 6 pi over 3, which puts us in the second quadrant. Pi over 3 is the reference angle. In that quadrant, sine is positive. And we look to our ratio, root 3 over 2. Secant of 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6, which quadrant? Second quadrant, reference angle, pi over 6. Secant goes with cosine. In that quadrant, it's negative. Right? In this quadrant, cosine, root 3 over 2. So secant, negative 2 over root 3. And finally, the tangent of 90 degrees. 90 degrees is up here on the y-axis. On the y-axis, it's y over x, sine over cosine, so the tangent of 90 degrees does not exist. Okay. Later on, when we get to the graphs, we will say that we have an asymptote at x equals 90 degrees. And specifically, we will have a vertical asymptote at x equals 90 degrees. But that's going to be for later. Alright, so for when we graph trig functions. Alright, when we graph our trig functions, we're going to have that information. Okay? Very, very important that we can do these things.